Hey, what's up YouTube? Good morning. I'm home in beautiful Southern California. It's Saturday 26th? No? 27th. And we're gonna do a walk around of the daddy's truck of 2084. So look at it. It's kind of dirty, but it is a 1999. Oh, my neck. Columbia, I think. Hold on. Century class. Never mind. It's a Century class, 1999, 2084. And I learned how to drive in this and park and the whole nine. So about 3 years ago already. It's been a long time. So she's held up. They've got a new block in it though. Useful for MCA, right there. This is to support the entire family. Now we got 3 trucks. Wait, no, now we got 4 trucks. Like the champ. Can't be parking here though. And I'm gonna go drop off my truck at the mechanic. And I'm gonna go pick up this one. Because this one was ready to go, I guess. You got the new Regals. I don't know what the fuck those are. The new fancy tires, ready for summer. And yeah, those are brand spanking new. And the spare right there. I was gonna draw a big crown on the back, but or paint a big crown, but I don't know. Yeah, it's the truck, 2084, the famous 2084.